Looking for a highly capable work vehicle with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Ram ProMaster City Wagon SLT in bright white. With halogen headlamps, front fog lamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, deep tint sunscreen glass, body color fascias, rear wiper washer defroster group, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 61 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, 5-passenger seating, rear 60/40 fold and tumble seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5548.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.